guys, welcome to Tuesday Book Lovers Journal giveaway. We have basically finished the book club kit from the dollar store book club kit box and all of its goodies. I have to dig up the stickers and those little voting cards. I have them, I just don't know where they are right now. And then I have to finish the washi tape. That was an idea I added last minute to give it a little bit more color, right? Give it a little bit more of a look. So we're only doing the larger pages. We're not doing those parts. So it'll be these pages that we add the washi tape to. And then I have the library cards. I hope they'll fit in here. If not, we'll figure out something. Even if I have to cut down the index cards. So there we have those. I added these pockets. Put a little library card in there. Then we got this guy glued down. I'll just put the washi tape down to where the sticker starts on that guy. And then I have to glue this one in. There was a couple I missed. But it happens. So I'm going to do a super quick giveaway on this. I'm not going to announce the date. Again, like I said before, that may give the subscribers a benefit, but an added benefit, I guess, or an extra opportunity. But it's not too late to subscribe, right? Not too late. I'm trying to get my glue open, guys, and it's not working. I think I'm going to have to ditch this one and go to a different one. Yay, I made it. Don't know how, but I did. Okay, so yeah, we're going to glue this guy down, and I believe there was a pocket. I forgot. Just getting my glue down to the bottom. And I was so glad that these had a shiny side and a matte side. Okay. There we go. And then I believe we had a loose pocket, and I needed to put a sticker on there. So I will go through. Oh my goodies. I'll find out what I did with those stickers and the little voters pieces. Because I did go to the Dollar Tree a couple, maybe 3 days ago, and they did not. I wonder if these would work. These would look good in there, I bet. Let's see how they look. Yeah, they even look good sticking out. Okay. A few of those that we can put in here. Let's see. Might not fit in that one. We may have to give this one a bit of a torn look. Okay, so there you have some other stuff to. These are the stickers I'm talking about. I know I have them. I just don't know where I put them. But I'll be cleaning my area this week. and we'll be getting to those. Because they exist. And then I have got a great idea for a brand new journal. So if you are interested, you can craft along with me. And I do believe I will put in my coffee shop, if I'm lucky enough and have time, I'll put an extra set in my coffee shop. So if that happens and I'm that lucky, I will put the link to those in my description, or in the description in the coffee shop. But that'll come later, not anytime soon. Okay, so we have to tear this one too. Let's go a little bit on this side. And then I will find those stickers. I thought there were 2 to a pack, honestly. But I'll find them. Okay, here's that one. And then again, like I said, we'll get the stickers for that last pocket we just glued, or getting ready to glue. Okay. So this will be part 6. There will be no part 7. Other than, well, yeah, there will be part 7. That'll be a flip through. But I'm going to tell you what day it comes out on. It'll be a flip through. And then I'll pick a winner. We'll do a random picker. And then what will happen from there is I will go back and verify if you have that's cute. So if you're the winner also, and you get this and you don't like some of the stuff that's in it, you can move along or throw it away or give it away or whatever you want to do. If it doesn't feel like it fits to you, get rid of it. Don't keep it. All right, so let's see if shortening that made a difference. I just didn't really like it sticking way up there. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so there we go. Not going to be a super long video. And then in these, these are going to have library cards. Slide in all of them. And that's the journal, guys. Like I said, I gotta find stickers. If I don't find one, I'll put something on that little pocket. It's a junk journal. It's not meant to be precise, right? Right. Okay, yeah. We are good. All right. So anyhow, yeah, look for a giveaway video. If you're a subscriber and you get notifications, you'll be notified when the video comes out, the giveaway video. And then I'll go back and check to make sure you've commented in every single video that came out. So there'll be 6 comments. There we go. That's it. I'm still deciding on what I want to do with the ends like this. I was thinking maybe if I could find a couple of little tags. I have some mini tags that I might put on there. I don't know. I'll figure that out. Maybe I'll put some beads on there. So make a nice page marker. See? Could even do something like that. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Maybe that's a dumb idea. I don't know. But we got 2 of those. See, this one's tying up the... We'll figure it out. But anyhow, that's where we're at. Leave a comment. Remember, got a comment in every single one. And yeah, this is coming out real soon. So, guys, I appreciate all of you that's been along this journey, and I hope you'll catch me on the next. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.